Another important feature for drawing is of course the color picker. And as the name suggests, it's for picking colors for your brush. And you have three different options here: the grid, the spectrum, and the sliders. There's also an opacity slider, but I recommend not to use it at this point because it produces really ugly results. Well, in the future I will probably enable a better mode to have transparency. At this moment it's highly experimental and not really that useful, since you see whenever something overlaps it creates this weird coloration.